Hello, and welcome to a short tutorial on iQ-Router and how to install a new license. After successfully installing iQ-Router, open the application, navigate to the File menu, and select Router Configurator. With a fresh installation, the license activation window will appear. To minimize typing errors, use the Copy to Clipboard button to copy the license data. Then, right-click and choose Paste to send this information to license@image-systems.biz, along with your request for the correct license. Click Continue to proceed with the configuration. During the 30-day trial period, which is automatically applied to a new installation, you can begin configuring the system. If you already have a license, click on Activate in this window and enter the license data we provided to you. If you've received a new license and already have one installed, navigate to the Licenses section in the router configuration. Here, you can view your current license. Use the Copy License Information button to copy the license data. You can enter and import the new license by selecting Activate License. Additionally, you can deactivate the license by clicking on Deactivate License. This is especially important if you plan to replace the hardware. When hardware is changed, the system's fingerprint may be lost, so we recommend deactivating the license before making any hardware changes. After replacing the hardware, send us the deactivation proof and the new license data requesting a replacement license. Please note that there may be associated costs for this process. Thank you for watching.